It's my first visit to Agastya Foundation, and what I've seen here in this short time of my visit is really amazing, and it's an excellent example of how a few committed people can make a difference to the rural population in our country. Children in the rural areas have very limited exposure, and in bringing to them an ability to make hands-on activities, learn things, learn about science, nature in general, everything about life, and it's a great attempt, and I'm extremely happy to visit this place, and then from what I have seen, I feel I'll come again and also try to do as many things as possible from my side to facilitate the work that is going on here. This is the need of our hour in our country, where our rural children need to express themselves by, and also they need to learn the process of learning by looking at nature. So I wish Agastya Foundation a great success in their endeavor to continue to do this activity, and wishing them all the best.